Cartor security printers, the company which I now own with my son Andrew, has existed in its present form since the mid-20th century. We specialise in security printing, and our core market has always been the postal industries. There are some 250 postal administrations in the world, and we have dealt with over 180 of them. The relationship with my son has evolved. Since working together, it seems now that we discuss work at home as often as we discuss work at work. The other change to our relationship is that he seems to be more and more in charge, and I'm having to take a back seat. In the stamp industry, the quality required is, I would almost say, excessive. We are looking at detail down to 0.1 of a millimetres. The fact that we've had to work to these standards of quality in our core industry, we've carried that over to other products that we do. So when we enter new markets, constantly what we get told is, wow, your quality is exceptional. A key market for our future is the hybrid stamp market. In that market, we require digital print. For digital printing, we've used Domino for many, many years. Not in a huge capacity, and only using their black printing equipment. The new product which we were developing required coloured printing, and we managed to develop a machine that took the digital printing with the Domino equipment from 50 metres a minute up to 70 metres a minute, which was a fantastic achievement. The Domino presses have been extremely reliable, but I must mention that their servicing team are really second to none, because they give us round-the-clock assistance. And we have had the odd niggle, things do happen and it's entirely natural, but they've kept us going through a very difficult manufacturing period. Well done, Domino.